In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Instacart app. We're going to use your web browser to install Instacart as an app-like experience on your computer. This gives you a clean, dedicated window for Instacart, just like a regular app, and it launches right from your desktop or app list. Start by opening your preferred modern browser. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other Chromium-based browsers work best for this. With the browser open, head to the search bar and type Instacart, then press Enter. In the results, choose the official Instacart website. You'll know you're in the right place when the page loads and you see the familiar Instacart homepage with shopping options for your area. Once the site is fully loaded, look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the menu that holds all the extra browser controls and tools. When the menu opens, you'll notice quick actions like Cast, which lets you share your screen to a TV. Nearby, there's a section labeled Save and Share. Open that section so you can see the options related to saving or installing the site. In that Save and Share area, click Install as App. Depending on your browser, this may also read as Install App or Install Instacart. But the idea is the same. If a small confirmation box appears, go ahead and approve it. Your browser will now install Instacart as a standalone app. Behind the scenes, this creates a shortcut and gives Instacart its own window without the usual browser bars, so it feels more like a native application. After the installation completes, Instacart should open in its new app window. You can find it again later from your desktop, your applications list, or your taskbar or dock if it was pinned automatically. From here, you can sign in and start shopping just as you would in a regular browser tab, but with a tidier, distraction-free layout. If you don't see the Install as App option, a couple of quick checks can help. Make sure you're on the main Instacart homepage and that the page has fully loaded. Try refreshing the page, or ensure your browser is up to date. Some browsers display the install option directly in the menu, while others place it inside Save and Share, so take a moment to look carefully. That's it. You've successfully added Instacart as an app from your browser, giving you faster access and a cleaner workspace whenever you're ready to shop.